Hey guys, Mike here. Just a little update on the compressor generator. Um, I had to take off the CO2, the paintball to CO2 and the aquarium regulator because it just wasn't efficient enough. I actually just started, I tied into the remote line and it's much better. I'm afraid that if I do get up to 3000 psi that the hose will pop off, but I'm pretty sure it's secure right now. So I've got it up to almost 500 psi, a little bit less, and I'm gonna give this a test run to show you guys that this machine actually does work. Set my multimeter. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it on and you guys can see what voltage it goes to. Okay, so that was 0.50 volts at 400 psi. Again, this is a 3000 psi tank, and I did get it to 2 volts with 2000 psi, and it went for almost 4 minutes. So actually I think it was 1000 psi. I got it up to 2 volts, and oh, that's why it was touching the multimeter. But it is pretty efficient. You can actually just blow into it and it can create electricity, but if I get it around 2000 psi, I'm pretty sure it'll run for like 6 or 7 minutes, and it'll do probably around 2 volts that whole time. I'm gonna get another HBA tank and daisy chain with a remote line to, that's the fill nipple, or no, it's actually that's the fill nipple right there, and I'm gonna get another line, attach one to the top of the regulator and then to the other fill nipple, and I'll have 2, and I'm thinking about getting 4 actually. I think it'll run for a good maybe 20 or 30 minutes at 2 all the way to 3000, and if I get 4, it might run for, who knows, an hour. Probably close to an hour. But this is just showing that, you know, compressed air by a hand pump can create electricity. So I will try to fill this thing. It only took me about, I'd say, 10 minutes with straight pumping in the hand pump to get 400 psi. So it'll probably take me almost in and out of a day to fill this whole thing up with 3000 psi. So I'm gonna do that in my next video. I'm gonna show it and see how long it actually goes and if it can go up to 2 volts again. So thanks for watching. Bye.